The crypto industry taking on big banks as lawmakers in Washington debate the future of digital currency regulation. Emily Wilkins joins us now with more on that. Hi, Emily.
Hey, Mike. Well, yeah, a battle between the banks and crypto is heating up over a wide-ranging bill on how to regulate crypto. Now, the tensions brought senior executives from both industries to D.C. this week, including Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong.
Payments and stablecoins, new types of investments and asset classes, capital formation, credit, like all these things can get reinvented, made more efficient in the crypto world. And that's ultimately what we're trying to do. We're trying to create more economic freedom in the world and update the financial system.
At the heart of the debate, banks want to ban crypto exchanges like Coinbase from offering rewards to customers, saying they are too much like interest payments that were banned in the recent stablecoin bill. And there is a lot at stake here. A Treasury Department report found $6.6 trillion could be transferred from bank deposits to stablecoins, driven in part by consumers trying to get the best bang for their buck. Banking advocacy groups are warning that that will constrict capital flow. And JP Morgan Chase's Jamie Dimon was also on Capitol Hill yesterday speaking with lawmakers on the economy. But he told me that he's not against crypto, but that lawmakers need to be very thoughtful about any regulations that they're putting in place. And we expect to see more on this bill in the next couple of months as lawmakers are expected to begin marking it up and taking initial votes on it. Mike?
Emily, it's interesting. Aside from this measure of perhaps these crypto exchanges offering rewards, what are the other contentious areas? Because it's interesting. If banks want their own package of deregulatory measures to go through, and they're obviously going to get some of those. And I just wonder where else some of the tension might be.
Mike, it's a great question. I mean, the main crux of this bill is actually trying to regulate crypto, trying to say when is crypto a commodity, when's it a security, and how that needs to break down. But of course, this has actually come up in part because if you remember the stablecoin bill that previously passed, it does prohibit crypto from getting interest, but it allows it for these crypto exchanges. And so what banks are saying is, hey, we see you're working on this other crypto bill. If you could just make that change, close that loophole, we'd appreciate that. Crypto, of course, wants to make sure that it's keeping open. And really, this is the big tension point that we've heard on Capitol Hill in terms of getting this bill done, what that's going to look like. I did speak with one senator, Senator Cynthia Lummis. She's one of the leaders on this bill, and she says she doesn't think any changes are needed, basically endorsing the ability for crypto exchanges to continue offering these rewards.